The short answer is friction. That lovely word that sounds so mysterious, especially when put it in a formula. Friction is a reaction force that resists an object trying to slide over another surface or object. In our case, the object is the wheel. The surface is the ground. There is, of course, friction between the bolts, but let's focus on the friction between the wheel and the ground. So, if we lift the car, the wheel will no longer touch the ground, and there will be no friction. If she only had a jack, which, by the way, she did, but for the sake of this presentation, I had to take it away. So, since we don't have a jack, we have no way of dealing with the friction force that makes it very hard to pull the wheel out. So, any suggestions now? Write in the chat box your suggestions on how to deal with the friction force. Since we don't have a jack, we need some creativity. Okay, I'm seeing a very nice answer. AAA, that's a good one. Well, one way would be to use more force to overcome the friction. Another suggestion would be to reduce the friction factor by changing the properties of the surface. For example, if the car was on ice, friction would be less of a problem. A suggestion mentioning oil would work similar way, reducing the friction. Back to our sad lady, we can suggest maybe she spilled water and turned the ground into mud, reducing the friction, making it easier to pull the wheel out. And these are all valid solutions, but unlike the jack, they do not eliminate the friction altogether. So my question for you is now, is there another way to eliminate the friction, not reduce it? I'll give you a hint. Friction is created when the wheel meets the ground. The jack lifts the wheel from the ground. It operates on the wheel. Is that the only way to detach the wheel from the ground? Chat away. We have some serious crowd. It is as if you almost had the same incident. I'm very happy with what I'm seeing.